Hi, I'm Christina with Tinagirl Life. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own vanilla extract and your own vanilla sugar. Making your own vanilla extract is so easy. All you need is a bottle of vodka or a bottle of bourbon and some vanilla beans. Now you can find vanilla beans in places like Costco. Our Costco sells them. I found them at the bulk food store. I found them at our Italian grocer in town, and I've also seen them at delicatessens. Sometimes they come in a long glass tube, and there's usually 2 of them in there. And yeah, just pick some of those up and put them into a bottle of bourbon or vodka. So I'm going to talk about the beans. The beans themselves are very expensive. Vanilla extract is very expensive. I think our Costco sells vanilla extract right now for nearly $40 a bottle for a small bottle. And the reason for that is 80% of the vanilla grown in the world is grown in Madagascar. And a couple of years ago, they had a huge cyclone that went through and actually destroyed the whole vanilla bean crop. So that started the whole thing. And vanilla is actually very time consuming to grow and to prepare into these little beans because they actually hand pollinate every flower, and it takes a long time for these little guys to turn into this little pod. Anyways, get your hands on some of them, and all you do is you put them into your bottle. And you'll want to leave them there for about 8 weeks minimum before you start using it. Give it a little bit of a shake. And now, if you can see my bottle here, I'm not sure if you can catch the light there, but I actually have close to 10 vanilla beans in this bottle. I started out with say 2 or 3 in there, and then every once in a while when I saw them in the store, I'd pick up another 2 of them and just pop them into my bottle. And it just infuses the alcohol and makes a beautiful vanilla extract. Okay, that's the first step. This is moving on to the next thing. Now, you may never have seen a recipe that calls for vanilla sugar, but you probably will after you watching this video. If you do a lot of European baking, you'll see that the recipes will call for vanilla sugar. And you might wonder, what is that? Well, this is all it is. This is my container of vanilla sugar that I've had for, I don't know, at least 10 years. And all I have in here is actually pieces of vanilla beans. You can see them, they're kind of brittle and dried out, but I can even crack them in here, and then all the little vanilla beans will, you know, the little black dots kind of go into my sugar, which is really nice too. So another thing you can do is actually put it like into a nice little jar and add a few pieces of vanilla bean into the jar. If you just want a little bit of it, and this makes a really nice gift for somebody, and that will infuse that sugar. Just give it a shake once in a while, and that is such a nice gift to give somebody. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life. I hope you learned something today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up. If you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel so that you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I will see you next time on Tinagirl Life.